So if you're as old as I am, and firmly in your midlife crisis, and you like going to sporting events, you hit the track, go to see some drag racing, and those bleachers are the worst things to sit on, right? Well, my wife would agree with you, so that's why she picked up one of these for me. Not the box, but what's in it. Stadium seat. So for today's video, we're going to take a look and see, is this thing worth it? Should you drag this thing all the way out to the racetrack? Save your back? I mean, I don't know. I gotta admit, I'm kind of looking forward to see what this thing is like. Let's check it out. And speaking of these bleachers and stadium seats, why are they just flat bottomed and you're leaning against the seat behind you? I mean, we all know what they look like. They look like this, but they feel like this. It's, yeah. Let's hope this fixes this problem for me. All right, go ahead, get the knife. Let's cut into it. Let's unbox and see what we have here. All right, well, let's get into it. I don't think it was very much money. I'll put on the screen the cost of what this was. Again, I didn't buy it. She bought it for me. My wife knows I complain every time I go to the track. I take the car to the track and I sit and watch others race when I'm done. And yeah, I guess she got tired of my complaining. So here we are. All right, okay, we got blue. Blue's cool. I like blue. Do you think maybe she went with blue because it matches my car? Matches Windsor, the Audi? Maybe. Okay. All right. Instructions even. Impressive. I don't think there's going to be much to putting this together. This would be a pretty quick one. But let's go ahead and, yeah, get the plastic off. See what we got. All right, I turn you around so you can see what I'm doing here. So let's go ahead and just get the plastic off. Well, that's what it looks like. And it comes in blue, gray, purple, which is clearly a red, but okay, and then black. So, all right. Even has a question and answer section. Oh, hey, there we go. Tip 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Let's just go ahead and get into it. All right. So if you're looking to buy one of these, if you think it's pretty cool, it is an Amazon purchase. So, oh, look at that. Look at that. You got one little thread right there. Let's hope I can just snip that off and it doesn't pull. Oh, I can hear it clicking. Oh, wow. Okay, what is this? Is it a backpack? Tell me this isn't meant to be carried on your back. Because that'd be pretty freaking cool. All right. All right, so maybe I do need to look at these tips. All right. Lift the backrest slightly to adjust the appropriate angle with 6 adjustable positions. All right. Oh, oh yeah. Huh? Okay. I mean, I can see something already. I'm not a big dude. I'm like 5'6" on a good day. This isn't very deep. So, if you're a long-legged individual, I don't know if this is going to hold your butt in here all that well, but it might just work for me. We'll try it out. So I'm going to assume this is like a recliner. Yeah. Okay. Okay, cool. We got little pockets on the side. I'll put this back up together here in a second. But what else we got? Press 90 degrees to reset the chair flat. Got that figured out. Use the flexed strap to secure the bleacher chair in the stadium seat. Use the fixed strap. To down the armrest, you need to press the middle of the armrest with your chair's when your chair's lying, then you will get a wider chair. Oh, okay. What? Oh. Oh. Okay. Okay, cool. So you don't want the armrest, you just want a wide chair. That's kind of cool. Yeah, what do you think? I think I like it. You would connect, you can see, put those here. That was what you would wrap underneath. You'd run the bench through. So what I don't have is a set of bleachers, but I do have a picnic table, and I think it kind of gives us the same rough idea. So anyway, sitting on there underneath, it may be hard to see. I connected the buckle that's under here. Okay, get rid of the tag and just pulled this tight. So you can see how that's kind of connected. No different than any set of bleachers, I would think, as long as you can reach underneath it. And I say we give it a try. Okay. All right, let's do this. Oh. Yeah. Yeah, this works. Yeah, look at, I got a pocket, removable pocket on the left and a double pocket on the right. I suppose there's meant to be able to put drinks in here. Both removable, which is cool. And yeah, as long as you're sitting down, your weight's going to hold this back. I'm not even up against the back of this, which you probably would want to do instead of bleachers because somebody else's feet would be here, right? So this is kind of cool. Oh, I'm going to enjoy this. We just took up race season to a whole new level. Awesome. Love it. Okay, it looks a little ridiculous, I know, but it is still pretty cool. Backpack mode. So easy to carry. You look ridiculous, but hey, I think this thing is a winner. I'd like to know what you guys think. Yeah. Well, that's it, guys. This is the Comfort Stadium seat with back support. So, yep. I think I'd say worth the money. So, anyways, quick little fun video. Thanks for watching as always. We'll see you next time.